I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake cream at home. Creating delicious cheesecake cream from scratch is simpler than you might think. We will start by gathering a few key ingredients, including 2 8-ounce blocks of full-fat cream cheese, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Remember, having your cream cheese at room temperature is crucial for achieving that perfectly smooth, lump-free consistency. Now, let's begin mixing our creamy base. Start by beating your softened cream cheese in a large bowl for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, slowly add 1 cup of granulated sugar, continuing to beat until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture is perfectly smooth. Don't forget to frequently scrape down the sides of your bowl to ensure everything is thoroughly combined. To enhance the flavor and texture, we will now add our final ingredients. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, which provides that signature cheesecake aroma. Then, gently fold in 1/2 cup of cold, heavy cream. This step is key for achieving a lighter, airier consistency. Be careful not to overmix once the heavy cream is added, as this can thin out your beautiful cream. The final, and perhaps most important, step is chilling. Transfer your cheesecake cream to an airtight container and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours. For the best results, allowing it to chill overnight will significantly improve its firmness and deepen its rich flavor. Once perfectly set, your homemade cheesecake cream is ready to be enjoyed as a standalone dessert or a luxurious topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.